Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to do a small Temu haul and then I'll probably do a little uh, something after I'm done. Okay, I'm going to let my grandson pull him out of the box or the bag for me. This is a tray that I got. Sorry for all the noise. One at a time. This is the tray I got. I think it looks pretty. It's going to be real pretty on the corners there. Okay, let's see what's next. This is some more of those light. I got a bigger pack this time. Yep, I got a bigger pack this time. Nice and big. Okay, next. This I got is one of my new gnome molds. There's a spot here you can see how it comes across like that.
Yeah.
We'll put it like that.
Okay. I don't know that.
What happened to your hand?
That's some cool knife I had today.
This is the, oh my god, it's so cute.
I mean, I tried to wash my hands and
Next.
it didn't come off, so yeah.
A coaster. Silken. This is a nice and smushy one. Oh, this is the other gnome mold I got. I don't know if you can tell or make it out. This one's the real nice and soft, squishy stuff.
There's only two.
Come on.
Whoa.
There should be three. There should be one more package after that. There are two more packages. Aren't these cute?
Or adorable.
They are too tiny. And that's what I wanted, even though it was off Temu. That's what I ordered. That's the size I ordered. Okay. Next. Now, yeah, whoever watches Glitz and Glitter by Michelle, she has this mold, and I really like it. I think it's adorable.
Me too.
You even know what it is? See which one it is? Because you watch Glitz and Glitter with me. You know her little dude? You know her little dude that stands like that she puts the bows and stuff? No? Okay, well that's a little, I don't know what he's called, reindeer or something like that. There should be something else in there.
If there isn't, we're gonna get to work.
There's
Nope.
nothing else in there?
Nothing else.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. There's something else in there.
Yep, there's another pieces of chairs.
Another set of benches.
Another
A different color set of benches. Would you like me to?
Yep. Come on.
That was even cuter. And I will put all the prices that I paid for these up on the screen.
On the skirt. Down below.
And I'll go ahead and get my resin mixed up and I'll be back to you as soon as I can. Okay, I've got all my resin mixed up. I'm going to do a clean pour with deep blue, gold, and some holographic glitter. And I'm going to pour it in this mold. Okay, let's get started. Oh, that's a beautiful gold. I'm running out of my deep blue. Dang it. Oop. Told you I make messes. I've told you before, I make messes. Now why did I go and do that? I was wanting to put the blue in this one. But okay, that's fine. It'll be alright. Sometimes when we have the best laid plans, always get screwed up when we want to do what we want to do, and our hands just do whatever they want to do. But that's okay. I was just going to have a little bit of glitter in there, and I was going to use it for bits and pieces, but that's okay. Whenever you're using mica powder in resin, make sure you're stirring it up. Set these over here so I can get my mess cleaned up. Gold is awfully pretty. Just hoping the gold don't take over. Let me get this mess cleaned up, get this cleaned off. I'm just using a baby wipe to wipe it off. Ah, what a mess. Okay. Bring you over here. Gonna start with blue. Some glitter. Glitter. Some gold. A little bit of gold on you. Hoping this is a good angle for y'all. Blue. Now that I got that started, I'm going to squish these little bitty eyes on the bottom. Let me adjust you a little bit. Squish the eyes a little bit. Make sure there's no bubbles in them. We did the gold. I mean the blue. Let's do the I love making messes. Not really. Just kidding. Oops. A little bit of gold in here. Trying to keep up with the same pattern. I'm just hoping the gold's not going to take over, but I think I've said that already. I should have just put that over there. Now, I haven't done this mold yet. As you've seen, I just got it, so I'm hoping I made enough, and it looks like I have. I dome the bottom a little bit. Okay, we will come back when these are ready to demold. We'll see you soon. All right, this is cured. Let me pull this first one, yeah, I can't even talk today. Let me pull this little guy out of here. She makes it look so easy. Michelle, that is. Okay, I'm gonna have to bring this up to me. Okay, I sprayed some alcohol down the side. See if I can get it off now. Don't know why I would think it would be easy. Ah, finally. Oh, so cute. Adorable. Get these ears out of here. That turned out beautiful. I love her. Love her so much. Oh my goodness. Let's see, I was thinking about putting some bows by her ears, but I don't know. Maybe just a bow on the back of her butt. Do I want blue or do I want green? I think I need blue. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. I'm going to glue that on. I'm going to get her some eyes and I'm going to paint a face on her and I will come back with some pictures. I'm so glad I got this mold. She is so adorable. And I want you guys to give me ideas for names for her. I want y'all to name her because she ain't going nowhere. She's staying right here with me. And like I said, she's staying here with me. I'll get you some pictures. If you like this video with the Temu haul and me making one of these, please subscribe, hit that like button, and comment, share, all that good stuff, all that interaction stuff. It really does help my channel. I love the interaction y'all give me. I answer every comment. Okay, I'm going to glue this on. I'll clean her up a little bit and I'll get you some pictures. Bye for now.